Hi, my name is Christina from Tampa, Florida. If you're planning to tow a trailer with your GMC Terrain, you need to have trailer wiring, which is required by the law. Okay, this vehicle has two options of wiring your GMC Terrain. You have one option if your vehicle has the manufacturer harness will be located on the driver's side. This vehicle does not have it. So we're going to proceed behind the tail lights. So our next step will be removing the fastener covers. Now we're going to remove the two Phillips screws. We need to bring out the tail light with your pry tool. But you have two clips holding from the vehicle. Next, we're gonna disconnect the plug that goes into the tail light. After removing the plug for the tail light, we're gonna proceed to do the same on the passenger side. Our next step is going to bring our connector with the yellow wire on the driver's side and connect. Connect the plug to the tail light. Now we're going to take our excess wiring and run it down under the tail light. Our next step will be rerouting our green connector to the passenger side behind the bumper fascia. As we are wiring our forward flat, it will stay next to our hitch receiver. Now, our next step will be fish wire under our tail light. So now we're gonna get our connector and tape it to our wire. Now we're gonna pull up our connector. So our next step is connecting our connector to the tail light. Now we're gonna connect our ground to the vehicle. Put back our tail light. Now we're gonna proceed to do the same on the driver's side. Now we're gonna put back the screws for the tail light. Repeat in the bottom one. Now we're gonna repeat on the driver's side. Now we're gonna clean up our excess wire with zip tie. Now we're gonna mount our forward flat bracket into the fascia. Now we're gonna tie with a 10mm socket. Now we can place our dust cover on, and we're gonna push in our 4-way into the bracket and cover it with the dust cover. We are ready to tow. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions about this product seen in this video, or if you would like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.